My dear brothers and sisters, we've heard how our first reading beautifully begins its statement or proclamation for us today. The Lord at least explicitly expressing the covenant, I will be the God of all the tribes of Israel, and they shall be my people. Ito po yung tipanan ng Diyos sa kanyang bayan. I will be your God, and you shall be my people. And you know, whenever the Lord would openly say to these people, the Lord at least would not only make a stable and a true statement, but in fact, He is at least from their time, was bridging a gap from God to man, building relationships from God to different cultures, and at least He was mending the hearts of these people, feeling at least disconnected or distant from the Lord. Pero kahit hindi po natin ito talagang konkretong narinig sa ating mabuting balita naman, pinaramdam naman ito ni Jesus sa babaeng taga-Kana by hearing and giving a chance to this woman after persistent requests from her. By the mere fact that Jesus as a Jew, this woman as a Canaanite by birth, although with different cultures, with different maybe backgrounds and all, the mere fact that they met and crossed paths, by the mere fact that Jesus heard him and gave her the chance, alam natin na pinalakas ni Jesus ang relasyon at may ibinukas siyang pintuan para sa babaeng ito. He even, with these expressions, made it true for the woman, I am your God, you are my people. I am God, I am Jesus, and you are mine. My dear brothers and sisters, the covenant of the Lord sums up every biblical promise. Whenever the Lord would say, I am your God and you are my people, it is good news enough for all of us. But we concretely feel the covenant of the Lord as true and beautiful when someone opens a door for us. Kapag nakita po ninyo ang mga simbahang pinupuntahan ninyo at the half day of a certain day or whenever the day is done, may tipan ang Diyos na nagsasabi, ito ang bukas sa simbahan dahil Diyos mo ako at ikaw ay akin. When there is someone who is ready to accompany you in this journey and in this life, ready to assure you, ready to make every promise true for you, then the Lord is just making true His covenant with a listening heart, with those people ready to help you. I am your God and you are my people. We make the promise of the Lord true when we open our hearts and warm people with our love. Mga kapatid, sinasabi po ng Diyos sa atin ngayon, Diyos ninyo ako at akin kayo. We can confidently come to Him and find answer to our prayers. We might need to be at least a little persistent, like the Canaanite woman. But the Lord opens the door and reminds us, I am your God, and you are mine.